Hello, we Tableau demonstration on the dashboard creation. This video is presented by Bharati DW Consultancy, and you're watching the first video of the series. So what I have is a Tableau desktop. Tableau is an awesome tool for creating a dashboard, and you can view your data. You can have data in different data sources like Excel, a database, or ClickView has its own storing mechanism for data. So we will discuss that as a part of this learn series. To get started with, I have a Excel file which I can use to view a dashboard and create a dashboard here. So this is table view, and I click on Tableau. It gives me an option to connect to data. I have a text file which is sales by channel. This is my text file. I select and click on open. Here, this is my file which I have selected. My file has a first row with fields and it's a comma delimited. If I want to see a preview of data, I can click over here and it says loading. So once the data is loaded, you can see here channel type, customer country, location, department, employee. This is my data set. We'll discuss on the data a bit later, and I click OK. So it automatically understands the dimensions and the facts. This is an option for data connection. You can live, which is whenever you create a query, it directly goes to the database like CSV or Excel or even a database to get the data. If you say import all the data, the Tableau is going to get the data within its engine and it will be more faster. But then you will have a possibility of, and you have import data. So if you want to import a subset of data from the database in the Tableau's fast data engine, you can do that. But I'll go with Connect Live at a moment. Now, left, it has tried to distinguish between dimensions and measures. Let's take a moment here to understand what dimensions and what measures. So measures are like facts, like sales amount, sales quantity, and dimensions are channel type, country, anything which you can base your analysis on as dimensions, and the measures will give you numbers. So let's do an analysis here. So I'll rename that sheet as channel type analysis, and I can drag and drop channel type in the rows section like this, and I can use sales quantity and push it to the columns, so you can see the sales quantity based on the direct, online and post channel types. Let me enhance this and introduce pay type in the colors section. You can see pay type cash, check, credit, HL and FedEx in the channel types. So I can save this and my DDSW. Now I can create another analysis, sheet 2, and I can rename this as case analysis. Here, customer country, you can see a small globe-like icon created here. This means that it has been uh, plotted onto a map. We can discuss that later, but for now, I'm going to drag country in the rows, and I can drag sales quantity this time in this rows. It's gonna generate the same kind of bar, but I want to change the bar type. I can click on show me, and I can select any chart. Let me select this chart for now. So here, the customer country, this is India, UK, and US. I can drag and drop it in the on the top if you want to, or I can drag and drop country into the columns to create another kind of chart. And I want to understand what's the sale type of the country, so I can put it on color, so I can have domestic and international sale types. Save this, and let's create another sheet with a map. So I can say map here, and again I'm gonna use customer country in the rows section, and sales amount in the column section, and then I can select a map. This is a map type. We'll talk about this a bit later. You can see here that in the map it's generated the different sales amount by country. So I have created three worksheets. Let me, I can rename this, and so on the left you have all your sheets. I can drag and drop this sheet on the right hand side here like this. Next I can drag and drop the channel type analysis onto the right hand side like this. I can put it here, so you can see it displays the map at the bottom of the screen. And now if I want to bring in country wise analysis, I can bring here. You can see country wise analysis, channel type analysis, and map. Now you can publish this dashboard onto the server if you have a Tableau server with you. So I can publish the workbook, and I can give a server name. So we'll see this in our next session, how we can publish this dashboard onto the server. I hope this was easy to understand. This is the first video for Tableau training. You can expect more videos to come. Thank you.